Kumusta itong preparation, sir, sa San Roque?
Buyag-buyag lang for Sinag San Roqueño Performing Arts. For the blocking, we have already surpassed half that first 2 hours, and very thankful kay Mikay. Napadagan na gyud namo ang full dance with the props, with the music, and hopefully tonight ang among plano is to have a dress rehearsal to check sa among costume na lang. Tapos.
Kumusta itong pagporma sa sayaw, sir?
Actually, it was not kuan gyud siya. Dili siya sayon nga journey kay we have had many problems along the way, finances, and then challenge pod sa group nga we are really kanang somehow independent kay the barangay is nasili support buyag-buyag lang pero not as compared sa ubang barangays ba, pero despite the problems, despite the hardships, as always ang the team, we believe man gyud the Sinulog is an offering. So kung unsay kalisod ihangad sa Ginoo kay ang Ginoo ra gyud magigo sa tanan.
What message do you aim to convey sa inyong dance karon, sir?
Kanang actually for those who know me as an artistic director, kanang I've always used faith as seed sa concept for Sinulog, and then though nibalhin ko laing group karon with Sinag San Roqueño, me and Alwin the choreographer nagsabot gyud mi nga ang concept namo is we go back to the roots of Sinulog. The Sinulog is always a prayer. So in our dance, we will show the different kinds of prayer. Sometimes you pray through words, sometimes you pray through music. Pero the dance Sinulog itself is one of the very best kinds of prayer that you can offer to the Lord.
Okay. Lastly, sir, usay message ninyo sa supporters sa Sinag San Roqueño this Saturday?
To everyone who are supporting Sinag San Roqueño, especially to those who have rooted for us, nga murag makabantay ko online nga moingon nga they're looking out for Sinag San Roqueño. Thank you for the support, and we hope nga come Sinulog sa Dakbayan, you will come and cheer for us, and then we hope that our story, our concept will also be a reminder for you to grow in faith.
I am Zyla Dilicano. My name is Adrian P. Tim. I am John Paul Taghoy.
I am Rex Figuerana.
I am Micah Pejona.
And welcome to
Mampong Baladanon. So far, based on my experience, the practice is so very hard gid siya. Dili gid siya kanang lalim ginawa practice every day na lalim pagid na kanang dugay pud mauli kanang during practices, and also kanang mga kanang di ba naapot tay kanang tiring day kanang maglain gyud tong lawas tungod sa practice na kita pamaol gid. So buwan tag ganang practice pero go laban lang mo practice gyapon
Para
ta.
kang Senior Santo Niño.
Laban lang jud.
Laban jud.
Para gid ni kay Senior Santo Niño na maghalad ta para kaniya. This Sinulog is to celebrate him.
Wala ta masayaw para magara-gara lang. Misayaw ta para kang halat sayaw pang Senior Santo Niño. Wala kanila mag-isayaw para kanang kwalan diha. Isayaw may para kang Senior Santo Niño. I would like to invite everyone to watch Sinulog in this upcoming January 10. I hope everyone will be here, enjoy the show, have fun, and also drink some water. Yeah, it's so very hot. Yeah, so that's all. Thank you.
I'm Kling Ortiz Loreto. I'm one of the choreographers of Pundok Luzinians from Barangay Luz. The greatest thing yun nga dapat unahunahon sa usa ka contingent is their offering to Senior Santo Niño. Kay even if nga mo aim ta og daog, but dili kinasing-kasing nga atong performance, for me personally dili gyud siya mag-work. Kay ako, I've been with different contingents nga feel na mo nindot na mi, but nagkulang mi sa among devotion, murag too much focus on the competition rather than doing this as an offering. So mona it's best yun nga as we think of it as a competition, dapat di gyud nato kalimtan ang atong number one natong reason why gibuhat ni nato, and it is to offer to Senior Santo Niño. Teaser regarding our performance, it's very relevant and na-adjust lesson nga maponder ang tanan. Any people from all walks of life na-adjust makapunan sa among presentation. Nagsugod may screening mga first week of November or last week of October, I guess. Then, since it's a city-based contingent, lisod yun ang manpower kay mag-inilugay sa mga performers ang lain-lain nga contingents, but thankfully by mid-November na okay ang mga performers. Honestly, ang struggles na mo is ang among patisanan yun kay super kagamay sa area. Though we have different gyms, but gamay ra gyud siya to cater 96 dancers and 200 plus nga craftsmen. So, we're very thankful nga 4 hours sa mga blocking time kaya at least this is our first and last time nga makapractice sa venue. So medyo na kuan gyapon na sud na namutanan. And yeah, I think that's the struggle of most contingents manggod kay most city contingents kay wala gyud mga gym nga dagko. So far mo struggle na mo, but thankfully supportive ra sa gyud ang among barangay kay kanang even if naami struggle ngayon ana ang ilang support yun ang naghatag namo o nag-fuel namo nga mo keep going. Inviting everyone to please support our contingent. Contingent number 11, Pundok Luzinian from Barangay Luz. Okay, since this is our first time and we will bring something different and something that's worth watching for. Thank you.